A cordial greeting. Today is Monday, October 27, 2025. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. At the time of recording this video, it is 5:15 p.m. local time in Jamaica, where the catastrophic Hurricane Melissa will soon be crossing over central and western parts of the island. Today has been a historic day in tropical meteorology, mainly because Hurricane Melissa has strengthened in an extraordinary way and currently has maximum sustained winds of 175 miles per hour, or 280 kilometers per hour, and a minimum barometric pressure of 906 MB. This makes Hurricane Melissa one of the 10 most intense hurricanes in the history of the Atlantic, and unfortunately, it is doing so at the worst possible time, right before making landfall in Jamaica. Weather conditions across Jamaica have been deteriorating throughout the day, and the situation will become increasingly difficult as the circulation center approaches the coast. It is forecast to make landfall around noon tomorrow, Tuesday. And if we look at the satellite animation, we can see how perfect the structure of Hurricane Melissa looks. I wanted to share some interesting data from today. First, during the last mission of the Hurricane Hunter aircraft, as they were about to enter the circulation center, they encountered severe turbulence when located in the southeastern quadrant of the circulation. This forced the crew to turn back and cancel the mission for safety reasons. In addition, a Hurricane Hunter aircraft measured a wind gust of 241 miles per hour or 388 kilometers per hour at an altitude of 700 feet above sea level, one of the highest gusts ever recorded by Hurricane Hunter planes. Another Hurricane Hunter aircraft reported that several birds were observed trapped in the eye of the hurricane, something typically seen in cyclones of this intensity. Meanwhile, a geostationary satellite has reported a maximum temperature of -4.75 degrees Celsius in the eye of Hurricane Melissa, the warmest temperature ever recorded by this type of satellite. This gives us an idea that Hurricane Melissa is at its optimal level of intensity. This means that oceanic and atmospheric conditions do not allow the system to become much stronger, although the National Hurricane Center indicates that the next Hurricane Hunter aircraft might find winds higher than 175 miles per hour or 280 kilometers per hour. Furthermore, in the 5 p.m. advisory, they mentioned that it should remain a Category 5 or Category 4 hurricane until reaching Jamaica. At the moment, the only factor that could slightly reduce the maximum wind speed would be if an eyewall replacement cycle begins. Regardless of whether it makes landfall as a Category 4 or Category 5 hurricane, the damage across Jamaica will be devastating and catastrophic. For this reason, the National Hurricane Center shares the following message. In Jamaica, you must remain in a safe shelter and do not go outside. Catastrophic, life-threatening flash flooding and numerous landslides are expected through Tuesday. The destructive winds of the hurricane's eyewall can cause total structural collapse, especially in higher elevations, leading to widespread infrastructural damage, prolonged